Did you know that women in the United States fought for nearly a century to secure the right to vote? This struggle, known as the women's suffrage movement, transformed the landscape of American democracy. The movement began in the mid-19th century, with early activists like Cady Stanton and Lucretia Mott organizing the Seneca Falls Convention in 1848. This marked the first formal demand for women's voting rights. Over the years, key events such as the formation of the National American Women's Suffrage Association in 1890 and the Women's March on Washington in 1913 galvanized support and brought more visibility to the cause. Prominent figures like Susan B. Anthony and Alice Paul emerged, tirelessly advocating for suffrage. Their strategies included protests, lobbying, and even hunger strikes, which demonstrated their commitment to the cause. The suffrage movement's relentless efforts culminated in the passage of the 19th Amendment in 1920, granting women the right to vote and reshaping American society fundamentally. Today, the legacy of the women's suffrage movement continues to inspire ongoing struggles for equality. The fight for women's rights remains relevant, reminding us of the importance of civic engagement and activism.